Shakespeare encompasses a vast panorama of human experience, and that includes the clear and unsentimental way in which he addresses our fear of death, how he recognizes our puzzlement, as Hamlet puts it, by the dread of something after death, the undiscovered country from whose bourne no traveller returns. In truth, King Lear is a play I could not watch for over a decade, as before he died, my own father declined into dementia. Dad wasn't violently irrational or susceptible to fierce rages like Lear is, but his awareness of his fading memory and his attempts to hide his incapacity and his occasional moments of lucidity echoed Lear's journey too acutely for me to watch. It was too painful, too accurate, too damn true. When mad Lear meets the blinded Gloucester in the fields near Dover, he has one of those sudden rare moments of clarity which I recognized in my own father. I know thee well enough. Thy name is Gloucester. Thou must be patient. We came crying hither. Thou knowest the first time that we smell the air, we wail and cry. Then he says, with bleak and desolate simplicity, when we are born, we cry that we are come to this great stage of fools. Understand that. The absurd existential joke that we are required to play a part on this great stage of fools, that indeed all the world's a stage, as Gregory says, and that we all have our exits and our entrances, that life is but a walking shadow, as Macbeth discovers, a poor player that struts and frets his hour upon the stage and then is heard no more. Or, if you prefer, more gently, as Prospero suggests, that we are such stuff as dreams are made on, and our little life is rounded with a sleep. Then our fear of death seems easier to bear.